Oil and grease ensure that our machines run smoothly, reduce friction, and prevent premature wear. However, manual bearing lubrication is a complicated and, in the case of some machines, risky business. Not anymore thanks to CONCEPT1, Schaeffler's automatic lubricator. From now on, your bearings will be lubricated automatically, continuously, and with the correct quantity. The CONCEPT1 is quickly and easily installed. First, remove the lubricating nipple from your unit. Attach the appropriate connection adapter in its place and attach the Schaeffler lubricator to the adapter. Finally, choose the desired oil or grease dosage by setting the period on the indicating dial. Use a screwdriver or even just a coin. From this point on, the automatic lubricator takes care of the lubrication task. The CONCEPT1 is available with capacities of 60 milliliters and 125 milliliters. Both versions offer a maximum operating time of 12 months. Throughout the set period, your application will be continuously supplied with oil or grease, reducing the risk of lubricant contamination, and thereby increasing the bearing operating life. But what happens after the set period? Just refill the cartridge. Either with Schaeffler's high-quality ARCALUB lubricants or with your own, provided it fulfills the permissible specifications. The option of refilling the Schaeffler CONCEPT1 lubricator reduces the cost of both procurement and disposal. This in turn eases the burden on the environment and your wallet. Concentrate on other tasks and reduce the risks associated with manual lubrication with Schaeffler's CONCEPT1.